So we finally got her running. She's smoking, so I'm gonna cut her off real quick. So we're gonna have to figure that out here soon. But today I got Pablo pulled up. He's gonna help me to do a brake job real quick. So we're gonna replace the drum brakes, clean them all up, see if we can get them to grab, because right now she has no stopping power whatsoever.
Uh-oh.
Like cake.
I haven't done my drum brakes yet either, so this is the first for me. It's done it.
You have that shit going on your brakes, bro.
Hey, it's alright. I got a whole spider's nest in my engine bay.
Oh, bro, I have like a family of fucking long legs in my shit, right?
Hell.
I swear to God. In the Jeep, bro, and we had a Jeep, right? We had roaches in that shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I also have an ant's nest growing on my wheel well. I need to go and bomb my truck.
Bro, what? And I quote, yeah, there's a little screw underneath. You just gotta unloosen that. I don't see any screw.
So we just keep whacking it.
I think that's the best course of action, to be honest.
Just because we've been, yeah, on that side.
Just be careful with the...
But I would hit it from the inside of the wheel. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, when I was hitting it on the side, it was...
All right, all right, all right.
Hey!
It's moving?
Bro, no. It's not like I wasn't like whacking the fuck out of that shit too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, motherfucker.
You broke it?
No way.
Oh my
dude.
God.
That is for sure like stuck in the out position.
Damn, JC, you cut your hand up.
We got the sweat and the blood. We're missing the tears.
It is the brakes.
The brakes are definitely engaged. I can see them pressing out right now.
Yeah.
There we go.
Pressed out.
Yeah.
Tell him right now.
This one I actually hit a little bit of it.
That's just new though. God damn it, Patrick.
Damn, this one's good. This one's
You need to
warm.
maintain your shit. This is
Holy
disgusting right here.
What can I say?
Well, side one's done.
That only took us 2.5 hours.
Holy.
Here goes that bitch.
Just that little part right there.
Hell yeah.
That looks way better.
Here we are a couple days later. I was only able to get the passenger side brake assembly done. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the other side now. I ended up having to get a jack from Harbor Freight. Pablo had to take his jack back. His dad had a project he had to do at his place. So we're gonna go ahead and get things rolling and see if we can get this brake job on the rear axle done.
I'm pretty sure doing a rear disc conversion kit wouldn't be that hard on this anyways.
Yeah.
But for mine, like if I were to do a Willwood, I think I showed you the rear disc conversion kit.
Mm-hmm.
It was like $1,000. But that's like complete, like calipers, brake pads, fluid, the rotor, like disc brakes that you're gonna get. Like if you get a 1 piston caliper, it'd probably be like a $600 set, $500 set. But if you were to do a lot better, like a two piston caliper or maybe a 4, then yeah, that's when you start getting up into like the 800s. But it's worth it though. You know, it's a one-time investment, and you just maintain it every now and then.
I think one of the things that I would want to try doing or actually investigate, I don't know, maybe changing to coilovers.
On the back, for sure.
Maybe leaves in the back, coilovers in the front, just to get a little bit better like approach articulation in the front. Because if not, it's going to be like a skateboard.
I was about to say airbags, but you're doing off-roading. So I was about to say for like something like my truck, I'd probably do airbags just because I'm not off-roading. Mine's more of like a street muscle.
We're gonna have to get that C10 on footage, bro.
Sheesh. I got plenty of work to do on that thing.
That's going the wrong way.
Not
going nowhere. All right, so we have the brake shoes and the hardware right here from the old. Everything came in our little hardware pack. So with the old brake shoes, we're gonna have to reutilize this pin. I guess this metal right here. There you go.
Just put it back in.
All right.
Cool. Look at that.
Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and throw on some anti-seize on these little contact pads, like this one over here, that one there, this one here, and then we'll go ahead and throw on the brake assembly in there too. There we go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, let's go.
Damn. Just assist in that channel a little bit more. And the kit doesn't come with it?
Nope. Because that's an OEM part.
Yeah. And even then, the brake pads might be good because you never know if the guy before you did them not too long ago.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, it's all set. Now it's just throwing the drum cap on. Yeah, that one looks like it was so much better than the other side.
Oh, hell yeah.
That was a lot faster than the other one.
Want me to just puncture it?
Yeah. Here, I got a little wrench. Just pop. Oh, this thing is tiny. So I'm gonna fill this one up. All right, that's topped up. All right, now we're gonna bleed the brakes.